Creating a tax-free savings account on Wealthsimple is a straightforward process. Here's how you can do it. Sign up or log in. Go to the Wealthsimple website or download the Wealthsimple app. Sign up for a new account if you don't already have one, or log in if you do. Choose the right service, Wealthsimple Invest, for a robo-advisor approach which includes automatic portfolio management. Wealthsimple Trade, for self-directed investing where you manually select and trade assets. Start the application. Wealthsimple Invest. Click on Start Investing and select Open a TFSA. Wealthsimple Trade. Go to Accounts and click Open Account. Choose TFSA from the list of account types. Complete your profile. Provide personal information, including your name, address, social insurance number, and employment details. Answer questions about your investment goals and risk tolerance if you're using Wealthsimple Invest. Fund your TFSA. Link your bank account and transfer funds into your TFSA. This may take 1 to 3 business days to process. Start investing. Wealthsimple Invest. Your funds will be automatically invested according to your risk profile. Wealthsimple Trade. Use the funds to buy stocks, ETFs, or other securities directly.